close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake.
Over time, your mattress goes through a lot. That's why at Dreams, for a better night's sleep, our experts recommend you replace yours every 8 years. And to help you remember, Dreams mattresses come with a delivered-on date. Replace every 8 and sleep better with Dreams.
A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.